Welcome to HODL Tutorials. Buying HODL using Trustwallet. Select the Dapps option. We will be going to HODLtoken.net. We need to change our wallet network. Select SmartChain. Select Buy HODL Now. You might be prompted to import token. Select I understand. Select Import. We need to connect our wallet. Select Trustwallet. Select Connect. This tutorial is not financial advice. We could choose the amount of HODL we wish to purchase, but in this tutorial, we will be choosing the amount of BNB we are willing to spend. We need to set our slippage tolerance. What is slippage? Slippage is the price difference between submitting a transaction and transaction confirmation. Price might rise. Price might fall. What is slippage tolerance? Slippage tolerance is a pricing difference setting that users are willing to accept when swapping. Adjust your slippage tolerance for taxes and market conditions. More trading requires more slippage tolerance. Slippage and tokenomics tax are not the same thing. Select the gear icon next to the word swap. We will be using a custom slippage tolerance of 15%. Close the settings when you are finished. Our custom slippage tolerance of 15% is confirmed. Select Swap. Select Confirm Swap. Approve your smart contract call on Trustwallet. Congratulations, the transaction has been submitted. You can view this transaction through the BSC scan link. Thank you for HODLing HODL, and thank you for watching this tutorial.